Vodka is homemade. I've been showing you what to do with my Zobo tea bags, and today I'm going to show you how to make Zobopolitan drinks. First, you would have steeped Zobo tea bags in 500 ml of boiling water and left that to cool. Add some sweetener to your taste, and then it's time to decorate the drinkware. So I'm just going to apply some lemon to the rim of my glass, and then I'll put the glass in some sugar and orange zest, and that's going to give it a nice sparkly crystally rim, which should make for pretty drinking. So that's all decorated. Now we'll move on to making the drink itself. So to make Zobopolitan, we're going to need some ice in our drink shaker. In goes some ice. There we go. And once the ice has gone in, we can then get on with the mixing. So I'm going to mix 120 ml of Zobo. So I've used concentrated Zobo, which is just the 500 ml in which the tea bag is steeped. So 120 ml, which is about 2 of this cup, 2 quarter cups, half a cup is 120 ml. And then I'll go in with another 60 ml of vodka and only 30 ml of orange liqueur. So I'm going to use a slightly smaller measure for that, and I'm going to need 2 tablespoons, which gives you 30 ml. So that's all done. It's time to shake, shake, shake. Right, close that nice and snug, and then nicely shaken, and just open it up at the top and serve into your pretty drinkware. There you go. That's a nice and generous amount of drink. This is a very massive cup, I promise you. And now we can garnish with a little wedge of lemon. Not because there's lemon in the drink, but because it's very tangy. Just to warn people ahead. And it's time to drink. Give it a sip. This is good. Really good. Thanks for watching, and see you later.